XRP Ripple investors, the price is dumping as we speak. Hit the like button and subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction for the XRP Ripple price. This is DC Trading. Before we can get into the technical analysis and price prediction for XRP, let's go over some crypto news, starting off with JP Morgan. Earlier today, he stated that they no longer expect a recession. You know what that means. If you know, you know. But after he made that statement, the S&P 500 took a dip. As you guys can see, it is kind of correcting. We're still very, very early. We shall see starting next week, but we need to prepare because it looks like there's going to be more downside coming for the crypto market. So there are two indicators we need to look at for the XRP price because it looks like we may be coming down to 60 cents. If we cannot hold 60 cents right here, then we're coming for sure back down to 55 cents. You guys need to prepare. Please do not be scared. This is where you should be dollar cost averaging, becoming long-term investors, understanding the bull run is 1 to 2 years from now. Trading crypto right now is very dangerous. You can get wrecked, especially if you're inexperienced and you don't know how the markets work. But the two indicators that we need to pay attention to very closely is the S&P 500. If it continues to correct next week, then we should expect Bitcoin price to also correct, meaning we're going to go way below 28,500, possibly to 27,000 next week. As you guys know, there's a big correlation. Whatever the S&P 500 decides to do, the Bitcoin price will also follow. And the second indicator, which is the most important one, is the DXY. As you guys know, this past week, it has been recovering. It was as low as 99 cents a few weeks ago, and since then, it has risen to 102. But there's a big correlation. As the US dollar or the DXY gets stronger, the Bitcoin price gets weaker. That's what we see right now. So we need to pay attention because if not XRP, the DXY can break to the 103 resistance level and continue to the upside, well, this means we are for sure going to see a big correction, not only in the Bitcoin price, but XRP, meaning we can for sure see a 55-cent XRP next week. So we need to prepare right now. Taking a look, we did form this falling wedge a few weeks ago, but we broke out. Instead of to the upside, we actually broke out to the downside. We have seen 3 red candles in a row. This right here today is the 4th candle. We still have about 20 hours, 18 minutes for the daily candle to close. It's Saturday and it's the weekend. So usually it means it's going to be very slow. We may come back down to 60 cents by Sunday, because as you guys know, the weekly candle closes every Sunday. And usually it gets very volatile. So don't be surprised, but we need to pay close attention to the DXY and the S&P 500 because whatever those decides to do, we shall see the crypto market follow. So we need to pay attention. Worst case scenario is we come back down to 55 cents next week if the DXY continues to rise and there's a correction in the S&P 500. But with that said, right now, yes, the bears are in control for the Bitcoin price. As you guys can see, they are entering. They do believe you're going to see Bitcoin eventually dump. They don't trust the S&P 500. They believe there's a big correction coming very soon. And guys, there's a big indicator. JP Morgan said they no longer expect a recession. If you know, you know. Now, with that said, if we take a look at the XRP price, what do we see here? Yes, a lot of bears have entered the markets. They have full control of the XRP price. As you guys can see, no one is entering any long positions because a lot of the bulls believe we may go back down to 55 cents. But you guys should be very excited. Why? Because this is your last chance to enter the markets at a very low price. Understand, in a year or two from now, the bull run is going to occur. Bitcoin halving is less than 12 months away. So you guys need to be dollar cost averaging, not financial advice. None of this is financial advice. If you are not experienced in trading, if you don't have a game plan, if you're emotional, please do not trade cryptocurrency. You will get wrecked, especially all the new people, because it can go either way. It all depends on the S&P 500 and the DXY. Based off what they do, the Bitcoin price will follow. Let's just say that the DXY loses momentum and the S&P 500 decides to continue to rise. This means we should see Bitcoin recover back up to 30,000, currently sitting at 29,000, which means what? XRP will follow. So we will see it recover back up to 70 cents. With that said, guys, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for daily technical analysis. My bearish price prediction for next week is 55 cent XRP if everything goes south. Now, if we do recover, then I do see a 71 to 72 cent XRP next week. Not very bullish, guys. I'm not very bullish on XRP right now, but this is the time to be stacking because it's very, very boring. People are disappointed. When people are mad, that's when you guys should be buying. Not financial advice, but with that said, hit the like button and subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction for the XRP price. Peace.